Hey everyone, Richard C. Wilson coming from Vienna, Austria. I'm here at the Vikings home field for their American football team, not European football, despite being in Europe right now. Many people don't know that American football is spreading to Europe, and one of the majority equity owners of the Vikings hosted us here in Vienna. They're one of the co-hosts, and so we got to hear about how they structured the deal, how they bought the team, how they're financing it, how the TV rights and sometimes the real estate are the most valuable part of the team, or the players that they train and then trade and sell to other teams. So pretty interesting to hear. We've been part of or seen people, family offices bid, buy, sell professional athlete teams and professional player teams in the United States. We're also organizing a division of Family Office Club called Players Family Office, where we are working with athletes, helping them get connected to very conservative cash flow and real estate deals, medical practice deals, etc., because a lot of professional athletes go bankrupt 7 years after making millions per year in the league. Too many car leases, too many Miami Beach condos and things which suck their money, mobile app startups and things that just end up going under. So we're more focused on working with professional athletes as investors than we are acquiring and investing and structuring professional team acquisitions. But it is interesting seeing the space because the valuations on US-based sports teams have been astronomical lately. And when you're early on in a new league, there's risk, but also there could be a lot of opportunity there as well. So it's been pretty interesting learning about the trend here. If you work and buying into sports teams, investing in them, selling them, brokering them, or you work with professional athletes and you want to see how you could work further with Family Office Club on a transaction you're working on or with an athlete, we have worked with many athletes. We have athletes coming to a lot of our investor summits, so be happy to be a resource for you. So please go to familyoffices.com if you haven't checked it out already, and hopefully we can shake hands at an event soon. Take care.
Join the Family Office Club by visiting familyoffices.com. We look forward to seeing you at our next live event.